Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. First of all, can I please take a moment to just appreciate Requil as a brand. I love their products. I've used their moisturizer in the past, which I've already reviewed, so you can find the link here. I've used their under eye cream, I've used their conditioner, and then the sunscreen, of course. I love their products. Now coming to sunscreen, I've already spoken about sunscreen, its importance. I've done like a detailed video on my channel in the past, so you can find the link here. About this particular product, this is the Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen which comes with SPF 50, great sun protection. This also has PA4+, which is the highest rating that you get against UVA rays, and this also has IR protection. Talking about the packaging of this particular product, excellent packaging. I love the packaging. This comes in a sleek tube which is like so easy to use and so easy to carry around, and it has wonderful colors, very elegantly designed. About the formula, this has a gel formulation. I love the texture. It has a very dry matte finish, you can see it here, and it also has that silicone rich consistency. See, this is so easy to apply and so easy to spread. Just look at the texture, so beautiful. This sits on your skin so well, and this does not leave any white cast. This is non-greasy. This does not feel heavy. The best thing about this sunscreen is that you can also use it as a primer underneath your makeup. I've tried using it and my makeup sat so well on my skin. So the brand says that this sunscreen is for all skin types, and I completely agree with them because I am a combination skin type with an oily T-zone. My skin turns extremely dry in the winter and very oily in the summer. I have used this sunscreen in both summer and winter, and I can tell you that it will definitely suit any skin type. If you are an oily skin type, you will love this sunscreen. This is like the best sunscreen that you can find ever for your skin type. If you are a dry skin type, the only thing that you might need to do is you might need to put some extra moisturizer and then you're good to go. If you are acne prone skin type, you will love this sunscreen because this is non-comedogenic, which means this will not clog your pores. This is not heavy on your skin. This does not ignite any sort of inflammation or breakout, so you are going to find it very useful for your skin type. This particular sunscreen is also water sweat resistant, which means this will not make you sweat. A lot of sunscreens do. That is the reason why they wear off so easily. So you will not sweat, this will not come off. This will be on your skin for a longer duration. This will not make you feel tacky or heavy or sweaty at all. If you look at the ingredients list, you will see there is fragrance, but you can't really tell it when you smell. So I suggest if you have like extremely sensitive skin or if you are allergic to fragrance, definitely do a patch test. Any which ways, I think patch test is mandatory. Definitely do it. I highly recommend that. Talking about the quantity and the price of this particular product, this is the 50 grams tube which comes for 695 rupees, which is highly affordable for a sunscreen like this. I am going to link down the product in the description box. You can definitely purchase it from there. Talking about the layering of this product, very simple. Sunscreen is the last product that should be layered on your skin. So what I do is I apply the vitamin C serum in the morning, and then I apply the under eye cream, and then I follow it up with a moisturizer. Then I finally seal everything off with this sunscreen, and whenever I have to apply my makeup, this is my primer. I just go on with my makeup. I don't have to separately apply primer anymore, which is great. All in all, this is a great sunscreen for all the seasons, especially for the summers. Two very important things to note whenever you're applying sunscreen, which you must every single day, irrespective of the weather, irrespective of the fact that you're stepping out or not. So firstly, always apply sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before you step out, because it takes this much time to sort of bind into your skin and create like a protective shield. Secondly, it's very important to double cleanse your face in the night, because sunscreen sort of sticks onto your skin. It does not come off that easily, so you need to double cleanse, firstly with a cleansing oil or cleansing balm, whatever you use, and then you can follow it up with a face wash. Lastly, I just want to touch upon a point which is very debatable: how much sunscreen should you really apply? I know a lot of people are confused. There's a whole lot of debate going on about how much sunscreen is required. There are so many theories like 1 ounce or half a teaspoon or 3 fingers method, but all these methods don't really work when it comes to our day-to-day life, right? Because every day you can't sit and calculate how much should I use. So what I really think is, it really depends on the area of the skin that you need to cover, which is your face, your neck. I think you should apply sunscreen all over your body. I apply a different sunscreen for my body, but for my face and my neck, what I do is I take, see, this much, then I just spread it all over my face and create like a protective shield with this. I very generously apply it, so I think you guys can also follow that, because only you know how much sunscreen is required on your skin. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked this video. I really hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, then please let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit that bell icon. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.